Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey multiplayer. Getting started is simple. Just select the two-player option from the game's main menu. This allows one person to control Mario and another to take charge of Cappy, Mario's trusty hat. It's a fantastic way to share the adventure and explore the many kingdoms together, offering a fresh perspective on the game's challenges and fun. You'll find that teamwork is key to success. As Player 1, you take on the iconic role of Mario himself. You'll be in charge of all of Mario's classic movements, including running, jumping, and performing his signature ground pound. Your primary objective is to navigate the vibrant worlds, overcome obstacles, and collect the numerous power moons scattered across each kingdom. Mario is the central figure, driving the narrative forward and interacting with the environment directly to solve puzzles and reach new areas. Player 2 steps into the shoes, or rather, the brim of Cappy, Mario's magical hat. Cappy offers invaluable support, allowing you to attack enemies, collect coins, and even capture various objects and creatures. This unique ability lets you possess different characters, granting Mario new powers and ways to interact with the world. Cappy can also be used to reach items Mario cannot, making teamwork essential for uncovering all secrets and progressing. Effective communication is crucial for a successful two-player experience. Talk to each other about upcoming challenges, coordinate your jumps, and decide when to use Cappy's capture abilities. Many puzzles and boss battles are designed to be more manageable with two players working in sync. Embrace the cooperative spirit, experiment with different strategies, and most importantly, have fun exploring the vast and imaginative worlds of Super Mario Odyssey together as a powerful team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.